The steady rhythm of rain continues, like a soft hush, soothing the edges of the evening. You rise slowly from the armchair, feeling the familiar creak of the wooden floorboards beneath your feet. That old, comforting sound that seems to whisper, "You're home." You stretch gently, rolling your shoulders, noticing how your chest opens as you breathe in and release. Your eyes wander to the kitchen, where the warm light spills across the worn oak table. The kettle rests patiently on the stove, as if waiting for you. You make your way over, your bare feet warmed by the thick woven rug as you cross the room. The rain taps a little faster now, as though nudging you forward.